So if you go on Thingiverse and you look up Jeep TJ, one of the files you're gonna find is by a guy posted himself as Kent Dixon, and he is, I believe, the creator of this file, the one that we're going to be printing off for the Jeep. So in the FlashForge program, print time is 4 hours 17 minutes. We're going to use 11.3 meters. So I've just had it preheating. Let's go to print, memory card, test files. It's going to come Jeep TJ adapter. Let's go to print. Should probably brush those off quickly. Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. Today's video, as you guys just saw in the previous clip, I got my FlashForge Dreamer NX, and we're going to print some Jeep parts. And this is something that I did on a video on my main channel a long time ago, is install some front speakers in the Jeep. And people ask where I got the mounts from. Well, if you have a 3D printer, now you can print your own speaker mounts. Let's have a look. As you can see, the print turned out very nice. Flip it upside down. It's even labeled outside. I'm assuming points towards the outside when you have it mounted. We're gonna have to go outside of the Jeep and fit it up. See right here in my Jeep TJ, I just got the speaker cover removed, and those are the brackets that I bought many years ago. And I'm just gonna pop it out and put one of the 3D printed ones in. Here's the good, the bad, and the ugly. I pulled my speaker out. This bracket here is designed for different sizes speaker. Unfortunately, I can't transfer it over to this one. So this one's designed for roughly about 5-inch outside diameter speaker. And I'm going to show you what it looks like in the Jeep. There we have it. It fit okay. Definitely. A little bit messy in there with some wires, but I think it'll work all right. That's the beauty of having a 3D printer, I'm telling you. All right, well, I'm going to end the video there. I was kind of hoping I would be able to install these with the speakers so you guys would have a look. Fortunately, that's not the case because I have a totally different style of speaker. However, if you guys would like this set for your Jeep TJ, I'm going to give these away. All you got to do is make sure you're subscribed to my channel and make sure that you're following me on Instagram. So leave a comment below with your Instagram account saying that you want to be entered, and I'll do a draw at the end of the month. Well, the end of next month, because it's end of March right now. Anyways, if you have any questions or comments, post them below. And I want to thank you guys for watching.